Good evening and welcome to our first episode of I'm not a doctor, but I'm going to give it a try today. So first of all, it's come to my attention that many of you have been looking for hand sanitizer and can't find it. Well, you're in luck. As long as you can find aloe vera and alcohol, preferably above 90%, you can make your own hand sanitizer. Here's how it works. You get 1/3 of a cup of aloe vera. And I'll see if I can get this to work here. It's going to make a funny sound, I just know it. Yep, sure did. Alright, so that's 1/3 of a cup. And then 2/3 of a cup of alcohol. Okay, so here's one. Oh, that's what the gloves are for. There we are. Might be also helpful to wear maybe some safety goggles. Couldn't hurt, right? I didn't have any. You may or may not have any at home. So there's 2/3 of a cup of alcohol. Actually, I like to put 1 or 2 drops of essential oil. This is eucalyptus. Not too much, but delicious. Okay, so you're going to need the funnel. And you can go ahead and put it directly into, I like to use a spray bottle. Very carefully fill that sumbitch up, and voila, you have yourself some homemade hand sanitizer. Now make sure that you label your hand sanitizer. 66% hand sanitizer, and let's see how she works. Smell that fresh paint smell. Now keep in mind, the best way to stay safe again, wash your hands thoroughly for 20 seconds at least. That's going to do a little bit better than this, but for the time being, hand sanitizer, you can't go wrong. Thank you very much for watching, and stay safe.